My brows are talking to you. Are you listening? They're saying, look what the rock has cooking. Okay, wait. I didn't mean that. Can I say that? No. Sorry. Hello, and let me welcome myself back. The last time I filmed, I think it was like a month ago. And I looked at my video and I hear myself saying, it's been a month since I filmed. Now it's been over 2 months since I filmed. I am so sorry that I vanished. It was just so many things going on. My Instagram is like my biggest social media, and I just had a lot of work on there. Plus, I was not feeling good this summer, throughout this summer. So it was too many things at once. And I'm like, man, I miss YouTube and I miss the girls on here. And let me try to come back. So here I am. Only thing is my tremendously big brows. Good Lord. You didn't look like that earlier. Don't worry. They will tone down. I hope so. They will tone down and get a little bit better. I don't know what this happens. But let's go ahead and get started. So I hope everyone's been good. If you happen to find me in the search because of these brows, welcome. Welcome to the brow channel. No, I'm kidding. I am going to be playing with this Jackie Ann collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is such a gorgeous palette. The colors are beautiful. There was a look that I did with this on Instagram that everybody was loving, and I never even put a picture up and I didn't record. So I was like, it's time. So let's go ahead and move on into it. I'm going to try to make my videos a little shorter because, even I am not on YouTube like I used to be, where I would be watching it for hours and hours. So I understand your time is precious. So let's get started. Which way?
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Okay, so if I'm in a different angle, I had to use my cell phone because my camera decided to go haywire on me. It is not letting me record more than 10 seconds, and I'm just like, are you kidding me? You were just working. What are you talking about? Movie recording stop automatically. Like, we didn't discuss this. Anyways, guys, this is my finished look. These lashes are from Prados Beauty. I'm sorry it's gonna be backwards because I need to see what I'm dealing with here, because I could connect my computer to it, but I need to head out. This one is called Wild Child. These are amazing lashes. This brand right here, this company donates 50% of their profits, so definitely check them out, because not only are you going to buy great products from them, but you will as well help others. I do have their brushes as well, and I love them. I do have a discount code. You're more than welcome to use it if you want to save some money. I don't make anything from that. On my lips, I have Mudslide from Gerard Cosmetics. This their lip liners, lipsticks, I mean almost all their products, even the setting spray. I'm a little rusty, people. I'm a little rusty. Have some patience with me. I love their setting spray. This is like my #1 favorite setting spray, so definitely check them out. I do have a code as well. That one I do make some money, but I haven't made any money, so don't worry. But at least you could save some money. I did use the Ilmakiage and Carly Bible collab. These lipsticks are amazing. I don't have a discount code for this, but I do recommend this brand very highly. I love them. And I put a little bit of Star Child, which is a gloss from them, and this gloss is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's got that nice little shimmery, like I want to say like a rose gold type of shimmery. It's really, really nice. Anyway, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm hoping that I can make this video work. Okay, I'm going to be honest. Last thing, if you saw me use the Jacqueline palette, oh my God, I was a little hesitant if I was going to buy this or not. And I'm kind of glad I did, because it is really good. And the reason why I jumped on it was because this product is made in Italy. And this right here is made in Italy. And I have a lot of their products, and they are amazing, incredible. So this as well. So I'm glad that I didn't hesitate. Well, I did hesitate, but I'm glad that I didn't stick with my hesitation and I went ahead and tried them out. So definitely recommend this if you are a little bit like about it. Go ahead and check it out. It's not that bad. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, week, or weekend. And like always, remember that there is a positive in every negative. So just stay positive. That little negative will pass. Y'all take care.